Welcome along, and thanks very much for tuning in to BalloonTube. And today we're going to do the dinosaur. Here he is. Now he might look a little bit friendly, I don't know. He might not, I don't know. But anyway, here he is. Alright, so what you have to do, you get your 260 balloon. I was in a world of my own there for a second. Right, you need 5 fingers uninflated. Alright, and what you then do is two finger pinch twists. Alright, so two finger bubbles, get the knot, wrap that round the second twist, and then take that knot over the top a couple of times, and that gives you 2 pinch twists. Alright, squeeze the air, you need a 4 finger bubble, and then a 2 finger bubble, which you're going to pinch twist, that's the top of his head. Alright, and then another squeeze the air along, 4 finger bubble, back to the 2 pinch twists. Right. You need a 4 finger fold twist. Alright, so squeeze the air and your fold twist, you measure it up and it's 4 finger, so it'll be an 8 finger bubble, but I'll call it a 4 finger fold twist. Right. Wrap that around the 2 pinch twists. So it'll end up looking a little bit like this. Right, you then need a 10 finger bubble, or a 10 finger bubble about there, a 2 finger pinch twist, and then a 2 4 finger bubbles, which are going to be for his legs. Alright, so 2 4 finger bubbles, make sure they're about the same size. Right. You don't need the rest of this balloon, but I like to wrap the next one in and then deflate it. It helps to secure it a little bit better. So on this one, you only need 4 fingers uninflated. Right. So there's should I say 4 to 5? I can't remember now, but anyway. So wrap this around the pinch twist, right, and then deflate the other balloon. Right, get your cutters or your scissors, whatever you do, don't use your teeth. It's not very good using your teeth. Alright, and then tie those together. Make sure they don't come undone. And then get rid of the excess. Here we go. I'm going to be a semi-professional today. Got my scissors. Cut that off. So you've attached that there. You now need a 5 finger bubble for the body. Another 2 finger bubble, which you're going to pinch twist. Another 4 finger bubble for his back legs. And that twist is going to go through here. Alright, so get your rest of your balloon, gently pull that through until you get to the twist. That will lock in. Come back up with another 4 finger bubble to the pinch twist at the back. Alright. And it should be looking a little bit like this. This is a 5 finger bubble. You now need a 4 finger bubble to the front pinch twist and a 4 finger bubble back. So 4 finger bubble. Alright, that just sits slightly underneath the 5 finger bubble. Same on the other side, twist the air along, 4 finger bubble. Alright. Now, what you have to do, the rest of this balloon is going to get wrapped around the neck and this 5 finger bubble. It's got to be a nice snug fit. So, pull it round, lift the neck up, keep bringing it round, make sure it's a nice snug fit. Put your twist back where the pinch twist is. Oh, make sure it doesn't come undone, hold on to it. And that goes into the pinch twist there. Right, there we go. And then you can just, the ridges here, just give that a little, and then you can just give it a bit of shape. And give it a bit of shape on the neck. Just gently massage the balloon, give it a little bit of shape, and you can turn him around like this. So he looks a little bit like this, and then just put the his eyes on. And for his eyes, it's just I do 3 finger bubbles. You could do 4 finger bubbles if you wanted to there, but I wrap that around the 2 pinch twists. Alright, and then I'll do a 3 finger bubble. That 3 finger bubble goes down the pinch twist at the top, and then you want another 3 finger bubble. Make sure they're about the same, that's it. And that will get twisted around the two pinch twists again. Rub it around a few times, and then once you've done that, just get rid of that. There we go. And slightly adjust the eyes. Now this is it. I do like to push the eyes open, and this two-finger pinch twist sits in the middle. So just slightly slowly. There we go. So they sit like that, and then do a little bit of artwork. Oh, now if you've watched any more of my tutorials, bit of artwork, anyway, we're going to give it a whirl. So do one eye, there we go, I'll try and do the other eye, and make them about the same size. Fingers crossed, well, not too bad, just wanted to do a bit bigger I think. I should have just left it as it was really, but you know, hey ho. There we go, and then I'd just like to put some eyelashes, and then a little nose, a couple of dots for his nose, and a smiley face. So do a fairly big smiley face. I'll bring this up a bit closer in a second. And I then like to do another little line underneath, not too big, and then we're going to just put a red pen in there so it looks like his tongue. Here we go. And do the red pen, and then on his eyes I also like to oh, there we go, is that oh, missed a bit there, make sure that's not too bad. There we go. I also like to highlight the eyes a little bit with the white edding. Alright, so get the white edding, and I'll come and do a close-up in a second for you so you can see it. There we go. Oh, that's a bit wonky. But, shall I try and get that not quite so wonky? That'll do. Right. So here's our dinosaur, and hopefully it looks quite friendly for you. Give it a little twirl round. There you go. And let's just bring that a little bit closer so you can see the. Hopefully you can see the artwork, and the white edding just highlights the eyes a little bit. Alright, so there you go. Thanks for watching. If you could hit the subscribe button or the little bell, because then you get an email to let you know when my next tutorial is online. So that's all from me, all from the Dino, and we'll see you another time. Bye!